Since the dawn of civilization, humanity has looked to the heavens for answers. We prayed to the skies, built temples on mountains, and finally carved our faith into colossal forms. These are not just statues, they are monuments of belief where stone meets spirit and devotion touches the clouds.
Across continents, cultures, and generations, people have sculpted divine figures to represent power, peace, and protection. From Asia's sacred mountains to the shores of South America, these towering deities stand as silent witnesses of human devotion, the tallest god statues from different countries. Our journey begins in India, the land of gods and legends. In the holy town of Nathwara, Rajasthan, stands the Statue of Belief, a majestic 112-meter figure of Lord Shiva. His trident pierces the sky, his calm face radiates eternal peace, a symbol that faith indeed stands taller than fear. It's not just the tallest statue of Hindu god, it's a spiritual landmark for the world. Next, we travel to China, where stands the magnificent Spring Temple Buddha, reaching an astonishing 128 meters. Made of over 1,000 copper plates, this Buddha radiates serenity and strength. It remains one of the tallest statues in the world, reminding every visitor that inner peace is the highest mountain we can climb. In Japan, the Asiku Daibutsu rises gracefully to 120 meters, depicting Amitabha Buddha. It's so massive that an elevator inside takes visitors up to the 6th level, offering a panoramic view of the countryside. A modern engineering wonder symbolizing timeless spiritual wisdom. From the calm of Japan to the tropical soul of Bali, Indonesia, here Lord Vishnu rides the mythical bird Garuda in the Garuda Vishnu Kankana statue. Standing 121 meters tall, it represents protection, balance, and divine harmony. A breathtaking blend of faith and art that dominates Bali's skyline. In Poland, Europe's tallest statue of Christ, Christ the King of Swobodźin, stands at 36 meters, his golden crown shimmering under the sun. A European masterpiece that speaks of unwavering faith in modern times. From Africa to Americas, from the icy north to the tropical south, statues of gods, saints, and divine beings continue to rise. Each one tells a story, not of power, but of belief, perseverance, and peace. These monuments may differ in form, name, and fate, but their purpose remains one: to remind us that hope stands tall even when the world seems small. That devotion, when carved with love, can stand against time itself. So, wherever you are, look up, because somewhere above the clouds, a statue stands whispering to the heavens, faith is the tallest thing on earth. If you enjoyed this journey through faith and architecture, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful world GK stories and global wonders. This is Dux, and we will see you in the next journey across our incredible planet. Jai Hind.